following county, Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area. Severe thunderstorm watch 233 in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Island in New York out 20 nautical miles. Severe thunderstorm watch 200.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Fairfield County, Eastern Putnam County, and Southeastern New York until 7 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Danbury, Brewster, Lake Carmel, Mattapack, Carmel, Bethel, Carmel Hamlet, Brewster Hill, Chimney Point, Putnam Lake, and Peach Lake. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Putnam, New York.
The coastal waters forecast from
Enforcement agency. They can relate. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Northern Westchester County, and Southeastern New York until 5:15 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Brewster and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ridgefield around 4:55 p.m., Bethel and Georgetown around 5:05 p.m., Norwalk, Westport, and Wilton around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Easton, Peach Lake, and Golden's Bridge. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Westchester, New York.
Whoa! Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater, located over Lavallette, moving east at 15 knots. Locations impacted include Barnegat Light Reef, Seaside Park, Fort Trevor, Lavallette, Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light and Goshen Gate. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Here is a special... The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Central Westchester County in southeastern New York until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Ridgefield, or 9 miles north of New Canaan, and moving east at 10 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stamford and Ridgefield around 5:30 p.m. Georgetown around 5:55 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Westchester, New York.
The coastal waters forecast